Let me run the experiment for you a few times, and that way you can see what is happening. Let's run it the first time on normal and hear that sound. Again, I'm looking at the wavelength, the distance between the waves, and the amplitude, how tall that wave is. Now let's see what's going to happen to the sound as I click and drag this, making it longer. We have our short wavelength, and then we have our long wavelength. You should be able to see a connection between the two, and this is what you're writing about on your paper. You're writing about the connection between the pitch and wavelength, noticing that the longer the wavelength is, the quieter or lower the pitch. However, when you are seeing a shorter wavelength, you are getting a higher pitch. Longer wavelength, lower pitch. Shorter wavelength, higher pitch. All right, boys and girls, remember your second sentence is so important. It is the sentence that's going to support your thinking. So with that question and wanting to support your thinking, reference the sim. Here's what your second sentence should say. I observed in the sim that a shorter wavelength made a higher pitch, period. And that's all you need for your second sentence. So make sure to use that, and hopefully you'll do a great job on this assignment. The big key concept, okay? When sound waves have different wavelengths, we hear sounds at different pitches. Well, thank you, boys and girls, for a great science day today. Hopefully you enjoyed the mad scientist as he brought you some information about sound, specifically how wavelength and pitch are connected. So, as you go out and do some fun stuff today, I challenge you as a bonus assignment, go ahead and maybe do your own mad experiment. I'm willing to give you 20 extra bonus points in science class if you videotape yourself doing a fun, mad experiment at home. Maybe you might do it tomorrow as part of your Fun Friday. Send it to me, attach it to this assignment on top of what you've already turned in, and I'd be happy to give you those bonus points for being your own little mad scientist at home. As always, boys and girls, have fun learning, and I'll see you next time.